Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about yardlandy.com, an online store selling all kinds of outdoor and home products at what seem like really low prices. But is it a real deal or too good to be true? Quick disclaimer before I begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. At first glance, yourlandy.com looks like a decent website. It has a clean layout and a bunch of product categories, but when I look deeper, a few red flags pop up. The site seems relatively new and I couldn't find any solid customer reviews or social media presence, which is always a bit suspicious. I also checked for a Trustpilot rating, but there wasn't available. That doesn't automatically make it a scam, but it does make it harder to verify if people actually receive what they ordered. Some scan checker tools online do question its legitimacy based on things like lack of transparency, missing contact info, generic product descriptions. So is yardlandy.com legit? Honestly, it's a risky one. With no verified reviews, no Trustpilot presence, and a fairly new-looking site, I'd say shop with caution or maybe look for better-known alternatives if you're not comfortable taking the risk. If you've ordered from yardlandy.com, let us know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. See you in the next one.